I'm Shawn King, a certified fence professional and certified fence contractor. Since I was 8 years old, I have lived, breathed, and sweat fence. We need to stop building fence like Granddad and start building fence like our kids will need to in the future.
This is Mr. Fence Academy. Okay? One person will try to pick it up here, and one person will try to pick it up here. Okay? Bad. It's really bad if you try to pick it up from this bar. This bar right here, I see this all the time. Guys will grab right here and here to pick it up, and somebody will pick up that end. What happens if I put my finger and my hand here and I lift, it starts to pinch. As I lift higher, this goes down, it'll pinch your finger. I've seen fingers get exploded because as soon as it starts to pinch your finger, what are you going to do? You're going to pull to get your finger out. The harder you pull, the more it's going to smash your finger. Okay? So I don't want anyone's hand around that at all, this area. So the way you pick it up one person is you come on this side of the machine, you grab the axle and the bar. One person, there's no way you put your hand in the wrong spot. All right, so if I pick it up here, one person can pick this up. It doesn't weigh very much. It's very awkward if you try to pick it up any other way, but I'm holding the axle and this bar. If you had to lift it up into the truck, this is where you want to pick it up. You don't want to try to pick it up from this bar, all right? We want to use our knee into this, and I can push my knee backward and forward to move that bit up and down. And use both hands now to hold this auger bit, line up with the hole, push the button. That's how easy it is to put it on by yourself. It's not two people, okay? To get it off, it's the same thing. Push on it. I'm holding the weight with my knee, the bit's off the ground, wiggle the bit, and pull it back off. Make sense? How do we move it from here? Right? So with it off, I can carry it from the bit. If it's running, I don't want to carry it from the bit. So if it's off, this is a great way to move it around. All right? If it's running, it's here. All right? We don't want to hold that if that's running. Something I want to talk about is, as we were augering those holes, if you notice I was walking the auger in a circle. That's very important to walk that auger in a circle because it allows that auger bit to grab and dig faster than if you just try to go down straight. It also opens the hole up a little bit, just a little bit wider hole, and make it easier to pull the auger bit back out. You notice when I went to pull it up, it came right out of the hole. If I try to go straight down, what happens is, to get the full depth, you really got to work hard to get back out of the ground. But as you walk it around, you fling the dirt out, top of the hole, you end up with a cleaner dug hole faster by walking in a circle.